Spending money. A family could decide to spend their extra money on something they want. A ski trip is a want. A kitchen table is a want. They may have to choose between the vacation and the table. This family is buying a new bed. We see things to buy almost everywhere. We can buy toys, an apple, or ride on a roller coaster. How do we decide? Think carefully about your choices. Is there something you'd like to buy? Is it worth spending your money on? Or should you save your money? Would you buy this giraffe or would you save to buy a different toy? If you save, you might be able to buy something better later on. You can make a list of what you'd like. Some kids get an allowance. Do you? An allowance is money that adults in some families regularly give to their kids. Or maybe you earn wages doing chores for a neighbor. What will you do with your money? Wants and needs. Look at the pictures below. Which ones are wants and which ones are needs? Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper.